Here's how we would turn your shopping center into somewhere that is a Christmas destination. You know, Q4 is the most important time of the year for businesses and retail. And this place back here, there's a lot of businesses, there's a lot of retail in here. So this is what we would do. We would, one, light this sign up right here. And remember, we can always get power typically behind these. And then I would light up all of these boxwoods and do the same thing on this other side over here. Do the same thing. And then you have these trees. There's trees right here, and there's some trees right here. I would light all of these up because they're going to help draw people in to this area. And then as we go down, we're gonna light up all of these trees. And then what's really awesome about this place is as we get further into here, we can put up real Christmas decorations once we get deep inside. And so we could put up a big tower tree, and this is going to become an epicenter for Christmas lights. And so this is just an example of things that we can do. Now, these trees already have Christmas lights, but you can tell with this big extension cord, these are not put up by professionals, I would not imagine. This looks like something that the city might have done themselves. But on top of that, all of these light posts, on top of all the buildings, I would put lights on every single building. All these lamp posts, we can put lights on. As we go down, we can put wreaths and bows. And then there's a big courtyard down here. So this courtyard is a place that we would want to focus on to draw people in, because you have really nice restaurants in here that really have a hard time in the wintertime trying to get and attract people to come out of their house because it's cold. It's, typically the sun's not shining as long, so you got that seasonal depression going on. So you're looking for ways to help bring people out and get them into your space. This is an awesome space here. This is a very big focal point of Fishers, Indiana. And so how can we make people want to be here in this shopping mall? And not only that, if you can help boost their Q4, you could probably charge a little bit more in rent, because you can guarantee that you're gonna have customers. You know, look at this long row of businesses. All along these businesses, you should have C9 lights on both sides. Every single tree should be lit up. When you look back this way, all of Sun King, this whole thing should be all lit up. Right in the middle of this, that's where you put your tower tree. Put a big tree that's probably 30, 40 feet tall, so people can see them from the interstate. There's an interstate over there, right on the other side of these buildings. So what you want is you want to put something in here that everybody can see, that's taller than all these buildings around here. And if you really want to get crazy, you could put trees on the buildings. So these are different things that you can do as a property manager to really attract and draw and turn your place into an epicenter for Christmas lights to draw and attract more customers for all of the businesses in your area. So like and follow us for more tips. We bring these things out to you on a constant basis. As the kings of Christmas lights here in Central Indiana, we know how to do it, and we can do all of this work ourselves. Follow us for more tips.